Okay, so what is the best place to store your crypto with so many networks out there in the crypto space? As you know, the crypto world is constantly changing and this change is super rapid. So what we had like 5 years ago or so, it's a completely different game now. Like what? We had just a couple of chains back then and now we have like dozens of them. Well, of course, this means more prospects and possibilities because each blockchain stands out in its own way. But at the same time, it creates a problem called interoperability. Navigating across all these chains, not to mention storing and sending assets across different blockchains, becomes a real pain in the ass nowadays. And this is when the next gen of wallet apps step in. And we have a perfect example to showcase. That's right. It's called XDeFi and it is a multi-chain wallet that makes the crypto world so much easier. So make sure you watch this video until the very end and you will learn that XDeFi is here to revolutionize the game. And now let's get started. Alright, so let's address the elephant in the room. No matter how great and reliable popular crypto wallets are like MetaMask and so, they still have some serious flaws. So here is the main problem. So first of all, they are simply stuck in a single ecosystem with clunky interfaces and manually switching between networks is just a headache actually. And yeah, don't even get me started on push swapping options because for a regular user who's just getting started with crypto, it's like to, well, navigate through a maze blindfolded. So wouldn't be this a great idea to actually gather all those chains and wallets together and like connect them all into a single wallet so we can like navigate them with ease? Well, sounds like a dream, right? But wait, actually, this is a dream coming true. Guys, enter XDeFi, the MetaMask killer as they say. Well, this is the wallet that's been silently gaining momentum. Why? Well, it's just that it answers to all of those wallet problems that we just talked about. XDeFi is not just a non-custodial wallet, it is a multi-ecosystem marvel that allows you to securely store and send more than 10,000 assets on 34 networks, with actually more custom networks for EVM and Cosmos coming on. This multi-chain wallet also displays all your NFTs on 34 networks. So it's like a single customizable gallery for all your NFTs on every network. Besides, if you want to interact with so-called dApps or decentralized applications on various blockchains, just using one wallet, XDeFi has it covered as well. It lets you easily track all your connected dApps across all your wallets and even connect to those that aren't even shown as options. And of course, one of the first things you'll ever notice here is the user-friendly UI UX, which is actually a breath of fresh air in the game. And here is the game changer. It aggregates all your balances across networks and accounts. So it's like the total balance of USDC that's spread on Ethereum, AVAX, Arbitrum, and etc. So no more jumping through hoops to see what's where because it's got it all in one single place. Well, alright, the cover might be nice, but what about the most important aspect of every crypto wallet? Security. Well, we have the usual stuff like XDeFi Wallet never stores your seed phrase, your password, any private information, and it never has access to your funds. Well, that's amazing, but the XDeFi Wallet was also audited by Kudelski Security in 2021, and there were no hacks, exploits whatsoever previously, which is actually a huge big thumbs up for a multi-chain wallet and its reliability. Speaking of which, the community seems to trust the wallet and actively use it, as its user base is constantly growing. Hell yeah, it already boasts 200k weekly active users. That is why XDeFi easily secures its place in the top 10 Chrome installed crypto wallets. And yeah, let's not forget to mention that XDeFi features some serious backers on board, like Animoca Brands, Mechanism Capital, Delphi Digital, and etc., which puts even more confidence into the project. Okay, let's talk numbers. So here's the kicker. 75% of net revenues from swap fees go back to XDeFi stakers. And when we talk valuation compared to MetaMask's $10 billion valuation with 35 million monthly users, XDeFi with 200,000 users gives a fair value of $57 million. So it's like a 4x market cap arbitrage. All right, so let's finally see the wallet in action and let's learn how you can install it on your browser. So you can install the extension from their official website, or better yet, use our link that we provide in the description box below. Just download the extension from Chrome Marketplace and let's get started. As we're getting started, let's choose Create New XDeFi Wallet. Create a reliable password and make sure to store your secret seed phrase somewhere safe, well, preferably on paper. You can also name your wallets, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Your wallet has been created. As you can see, the interface is pretty nice, and there is this app feature that we previously talked about. We can easily add assets that we want. And here is the most important thing, the swap feature that allows you to exchange tokens between native network, which is like super simplifying the process for users. We can also import our own like old wallets as well, just by going to wallet management and importing your wallet seed phrase. And yeah, there you have it, right here in one spot. Solana, Phantom, MetaMask, well, you name it. And you also get all the relevant token statistics from your wallets right here. Besides, here's this NFT gallery that we've talked about, and you can see some of my NFTs from different blockchains in one single wallet just right here. So basically, XDeFiWallet simplifies the management of all assets and activities from different networks in just one interface, including custom token support and convenient sending and receiving. But wait, if you thought, well, that's it, well, there's actually more. XDeFi isn't just a wallet because it has its own token called XDeFi. And guess what? It's been on fire lately with a whopping 400% increase in just a few weeks. So we're talking real users, real validation. And with the valuation comparison to MetaMask, it's actually clear that XDeFi is undervalued and ready to soar. The token has some real utility too, with over $125 million in wallet swap volume in the past 30 days. It's not just speculation, because real users are fueling this growth. And get this, 75% of net revenues from swap fees go back to XDeFi stakers. And yeah, it's like earning while you hodl. Of course, XDeFi still has tons of room to grow higher. And when the wallet's gas tank feature is actually released, it will be a multi-chain gas token. Oh, wait, didn't I forget to mention that before? Okay, so the gas tank will be like a single balance of gas fees in XDeFi or USDC. It is used to pay fees across any networks without needing to have native gas tokens. So the potential here is actually staggering because real users continue to flock to XDeFi. And remember, this is the third largest multi-ecosystem wallet extension after Coinbase and Trust Wallet. And so there you have it, folks. XDeFi, the wallet that's rewriting the rules. So will it be like the next MetaMask killer? Obviously, only time will tell. But with its impressive features in a constant growing community, it is definitely one to keep an eye on. Besides, every bull run has its narrative, and wallets are going to be a huge part of it. That is why XDeFi's unique position as one of the very few wallets with an actual token is actually our dark horse in the race. So I'm placing my bets on XDeFi as the gem with legs to run hard on this bull run. That is why I'm placing my bets on XDeFi as the gem with legs to run hard during this bull run. And yeah, it's not just a wallet, it is a game changer. Besides, with upcoming features like more chains and tokens coming on, and even the mobile app, the sky is the limit here. So yeah guys, what do you think? Are you ready to make this switch?